welcome back. How are you? Today is finally BoxyCharm day. My BoxyCharm this month came super late, but that's okay. I literally got it yesterday, Sunday night. I was supposed to get it Friday and I got it Sunday night, but that's okay. It's here and I'm excited. I had a couple of add-ons this time as well, just because I couldn't like pass up two things that were on the website for the price that they were. But yeah, so before I get into my add-ons and then my choice that I loved from the month before, I do want to share that I got a refill or like a new Smashbox foundation. This is my Holy Grail foundation. This is the foundation that I always wear in my Jeffree Star mystery boxes unboxing videos, and you guys always ask me what I'm using on my face. It's always the Smashbox foundation. I did notice that the packaging is a little different from my last one that I'm literally almost finished. I have to take off the cap now and like dab it on my sponge. I also noticed that that one is 15-hour and this is 24-hour. I did compare the color. It looks exactly the same, so maybe they just made the formula to last 24 hours. I would never wear a foundation that long. But anyways, I did get another one in the same color, medium to dark undertone neutral 3.2. So I picked that up from Ulta. It was on sale and I was like, I need it. And then I finally picked up KVD Beauty Blush. The packaging, this is very old packaging. It still has her name on it, but I got Rosebud and these were also on sale for $13. I already love the packaging. It's like a very muted mauve purple tone type of blush. You know that this is just my vibe and what I always use, but this packaging is absolutely adorable. I love it. So I'm finally gonna try that formula out. So I just wanted to share with you guys that I got those two. Let's get into the product that stood out the most to me. I only tried two products out from last month's box because there was 3 items that I knew I wasn't gonna use and I gave it away. My product for last month is the Touch in Sol Icy Sorbet Primer Pretty Filter. You guys, this stuff is amazing. It has such a cooling effect to the face. This feels amazing on my face when I'm like overheated and my cheeks are red and I'm trying to calm down. The minute that I put this primer on, it literally just smooths my face and my redness goes away. Like, it's amazing. I love the smell, and I'm usually not one who loves rose type of smells, especially in setting sprays, but the setting spray, that orange setting spray that I also got that has like a rosy scent to it, I really love that too, and it didn't break my face out. So that's another good one from BoxyCharm. But Touch in Sol for me never goes wrong with their primers. Their primers are amazing. They always lay down amazing. They never interrupt any foundation that I use on top of it. And I absolutely love this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Love the smell. Love the feel on the face. And I feel like this is going to last me a very long time because such a little goes such a long way. And if you were wondering if it like covers up or like fills in pores and stuff like that, it doesn't, but it just lays amazing on the face with foundation on top of it. It's just, it looks very smoothing, almost on me like a filter effect. I do have it under this foundation, under the Becca foundation, and I feel like it does give me that sort of like filter effect where it's just giving me a smoothness everywhere. I love that. So yeah, this was my pick and this is $32. This is my pick from last month. So let's get into my add-ons real quick. I added on the Vegan Moisturizer Makeup, the little one. These I believe run for like $18 if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that because you know I always forget price tags. I got the small one because I really love this. This is very, very thick and super moisturizing for my dry patchiness. But I was looking up the ingredients and there's a couple of ingredients that are not in this that I wish were in this, just for more people with skin that like I have, where it's dry patchiness. I'm in my 30s. The skin starts to like age a little bit and stuff like that, and there's some ingredients that I need to be using more on my face, and when I was doing the research, this does not have it, but the cleanser does. So I'm keeping that cleanser. I'm getting to a point where I'm trying to create a very steady skincare routine for myself, and I'm trying to lay it down because someone asked me for a skincare for my skincare routine, and I really don't have a set skincare routine, and I'm actually just, it put my mind into going into like researching and stuff like that, and I'm actually creating it now. So I just want to give you a heads up, this video is probably going to be lengthy because I feel like I need to touch on some of these like things like really in depth for you guys, especially like in your 30s and going through some similar stuff like me with the skin. Yes, I absolutely do love this. This is why I bought another one, but me doing research, it does not have the things that I really need for my skin for a really good skincare routine. The cleanser, yes, absolutely, it is my go-to, and I'm now gonna buy the big one, but I'm gonna use this. I absolutely love this though. It's so good, you guys, and it's super moisturizing. It's a little heavy for like summertime. For my dry patchy skin, yes, absolutely it works, and it just keeps them at bay. I don't see them for a while using this. I'm just sad that it doesn't have the ingredients that I really need for my skin. But I picked this up because I think it was like $6, and because I actually really like it, and I'm a little sad over it. But I did pick up the Violet Voss Olive You Forever palette. This palette came out last month with them. It runs, I believe, for $34, and I got it for 12 bucks. I am a huge fan of Violet Voss eyeshadows. They've never done me wrong, never given me any inconsistencies. I absolutely love them. I have to give this is right up my alley. I already used this in a get ready with me type of first impressions video, and it will be up on Thursday for you guys. It is on this look that I'm wearing in this video right now because I am double filming, so that's how it's going. I absolutely love this palette, you guys, already. It is so good, I can't. So I'm very happy that I picked this up. So let's get into the box. Okay, when I got my box and I opened it, I was just like, I was a little, this was my face, exact reaction. Okay, all right, it's something different. I was not expecting a lot of these products, things I've never used before, brands I've never heard before. Literally 3 brands in here out of the 5 I've never heard of before, I don't think. So let's just go through it. The first thing was my choice that I picked because I didn't want to pick the other thing that was available, and this might be literally my same skin tone. They didn't have any lighter colors available, so I just picked the one that I could. But it's the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. Runs for $27. An instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brighteners let your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focus finish. Includes removable sponge for on-the-go blending. Oh, I see it now. Okay, that is very interesting, but I was able to get the color Aglow, I believe. Let's check this out real quick because I've never seen this before. It does have a sponge at the end. How do you like, oh, okay, it does have a sponge at the end. That's cool. How do you apply this? Is it like a twisty tubey? Yes. Okay, there's the wand. I'm definitely gonna be trying this out. I'm assuming that it's a new formula because it's a glow thing type. I don't know, you guys. Listen, I'm gonna be real honest with you. I have no idea because I've tried the original Tarte Shape Tape and it was not my vibe at all. I don't like it. It just didn't work for me, and that's okay. It worked for millions of people, and for millions of people it didn't work. But that's okay. Let's move on. I'm very intrigued by that. Let's move on. So Beekman 1802 Dude Eye Illuminating and Depuffer Eye Serum. This runs for $42. Lord Jesus, what is this thing? Does it really fight dark circles though? This has goat milk and colostrum and milk probiotic. Say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. A powerful blend of actives and goat milk quickly absorbs into skin for hydrating revitalization that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. I could be intrigued. I just feel like anything that I use under my eyes, you guys, does not work for me. It just does not work for me. This is why I use color corrector now. Like, this is what we're doing in our 30s right now. Yeah, I'm intrigued. I've used a lot of Dr. Brand stuff, and I feel like just for me, they don't work. The only thing I actually like from Dr. Brand is like this thing that you put under your eyes, but it just gives it a nice glow to it so your eyes don't look that dull. I usually use it at night, or I'll use it under my makeup, and just under my makeup really doesn't do anything. So I don't know, that's just me. I usually never see results with eye stuff like this, but it is what it is, and that's okay. So that's $42. The next thing I was really, is it this one? Yes. When I saw this and I saw the price, I was like, OMG, like what the You guys, I really do like the packaging to this. This is very pretty, but this is $65 by a brand I've never heard before. It's Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Uplift. This skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. I really want to put that to the test to see if it's gonna work. It's a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid, and this is in Japan. And I feel like skincare that comes from Japan, just from reviews and reading stuff, I feel like they know what the hell they're doing with skincare. Like, do you not see their models? Like, they don't age at all. I am very intrigued by this, and this looks very, very pretty. And you could just see like the stuff in it. Like, I'm intrigued, you guys. I'm really intrigued. But the packaging is just very, very pretty. Look at this packaging. I can't. And it's glass. Look at this. Look at how pretty that is. I don't understand. And all that stuff in it. This shit better work for $65. It better do something. I'm very, very interested and intrigued by this one especially. Okay, so the next thing is Drybar Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. I've never used anything like this before. A lightweight spray protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees. This runs for $27. I feel like we needed this like years ago because I've been frying my hair for years, which is probably one of the reasons why I don't have much hair left, but my hair is severely damaged and I don't know how to revive it back. You guys, if you do, let me know. Give me some advice down below. Follow me on Instagram. You can freaking message me and let me know what's up. I straighten my hair a lot and I want to see if this is gonna work. I don't blow dry my hair because obviously I don't have much left. This is for use on dry hair. Shake well. Lift sections of dry hair and spray throughout before using hot tools. Sounds fairly easy. We'll try it. Why not? Last thing is the Tint Beauty Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. This runs for $18. Never heard of this brand before either. Achieve both definition and blendability with this pencil. The unique formulation allows you to create precision and feather edges with a soft dab of a fingertip or beauty sponge. This firm yet creamy formulation glides with ease and creates a soft, smoky eye and rich defined wing. Okay, I'm down for this. This is in the color black, and I will say I opened this up yesterday and it reminds me of Lunar Beauty, of Manny's brushes, but I think his are backwards. Aren't his? No, I think it's the same thing where it's white and it ombres into black at the end, or it could be reversed. But anyhow, it reminded me of Lunar Beauty, which is a brand that I still need to try. I'm dying to try their brand. His brand. But yeah, and then it's super black. I did try it on my hand yesterday and it didn't budge, and I hardly put it to my skin, you guys, and look at that pigmentation. That's wild. But I'm intrigued by this too. This box, I will be using absolutely everything and trying out everything in this one. I'm not going to give anything away because I am highly intrigued by most of these products in here. I believe my final value of the box was $179. I'll put it down here for you guys like I always do. But you guys, that's it. And the theme of the card was flourish. I'm so sorry, I forgot that. But it's very, very pretty. This year, I am keeping all of my cards. I'm keeping the tabs on things, and I think I'm gonna do a few videos at the end of the year, like using BoxyCharm favorites, BoxyCharm items that shocked the hell out of me, maybe the worst BoxyCharm items I've gotten, things like that. Let me know if you like that. Give this video a thumbs up if you would. But yeah, you guys, that is my BoxyCharm video. So I'm intrigued, and I'm gonna be using all of this and trying things out. So let's see what turns out to be my favorite item next month. I love you guys. I hope you guys are staying safe. Please be kind to one another, and I seriously like mean that. Please, you guys, let's just be kind to one another. I've just been seeing so many mean things on social media. I've been seeing so many things going on the YouTube platform that I'm just like, I'm not vibing with. I don't like. It's inappropriate. It's nonsense. It shouldn't be happening. But you guys, please, let's just be kind to one another, because you do not know what people go on, like, are going through personally behind closed doors. That's with anyone. Even if you don't have anything to say, just keep scrolling. It literally takes more energy for you to say something mean than it is to just mind your own business and keep scrolling. Like, that's it. Please be kind to one another. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all of the support and all of your love, and I will see you in a couple of days. Bye.